Hey, my name's Eddie with Uniform Break, coming to you with another uniform rental scam. And the scam I'm going to talk about today is the lost charge scam. So the uniform rental companies would have you to believe that they never lose any uniforms, that none of your garments ever get routed to another business. Well, that's absolutely false. It's absolutely not true. And here's one of the things that I want to tell you. Think about this. When they're going to charge you for lost uniforms, they're charging you on a trust level. They're basically saying, trust us, we know what we're doing. You don't need to look anywhere else. We wouldn't want to rip anything off from you. But let me ask you this, and some of you might know exactly what I'm talking about. Have you ever received garments from another company? And a lot of you are going to say, yeah, I had someone else's pants. I mean, I'm a taco restaurant, and I had Ford Sunrise pants tied into my uniforms, and I gave it back to the driver. Well, that's a perfect example of what could be happening to your garments. And then the uniform rental company will come back and say that you lost it. There's ways that you can prove that they didn't lose it. There are strategies that you can implement to make sure that you don't get lost charge. There's evidence that exists that you probably don't know exists that you could get, and that would prevent you from being charged all of these loss charges. And so if you're getting charged loss charges, and they, especially if you got a huge bill, like one person left and they want to charge you, or you're closing down and 5 people lost their uniforms and they want to charge you like $3,500, there's ways to negotiate that bill. I can help, but if you don't call me, I can't. So hey, call me, guys. Like, subscribe, share it with some of your business owner friends. Don't forget to save this video. I can help you. Call me. My information is right there in the contact. We'll talk to you soon.